There was a mile marker bending in the heat. Sky stretched thin like a worn-out sheet. I wasn't looking for a sign or a clue, just driving through what I couldn't undo. Old radio, barely holding a tune. Static dancing in the afternoon, and something slipped through the empty blue, like I had a map straight leading to you. I didn't turn the dial, didn't ask for anything new. There it was, breaking through. It was a song that found you out on the road with nothing left to prove. Fell through the cracks in the quiet and the blue, like it always knew. It was a song that found you. Didn't matter where you were passing through. Hit like a truth you never could outmove. Yeah, it found you. Windshield humming with a low refrain, dustless horizon, no hint of rain, but every word felt sharp and true, like it was written in a room I knew. I pulled over just to hear it clear, heart catching up to my ears, and in that moment something shifted view, like I've been seeing without a single clue. Maybe you waited in the wires for years, slipped through stations, dodged all the noise and fears. Maybe you followed every turn you made till the silence opened just enough space, and it played like you knew your name. It feels the same. It was the song that found you, soft as a spark, but it cut right through. Lit up a place you thought you always knew, but never could. It was the song that found you. No need to chase what was already true. Some things arrive when your heart makes room. Yeah, it found you. Radio faded, but I still hear it move, like it's riding every road I choose. Not something lost, just something to pursue. Just the song that found you. Endless miles behind me, I let them fade. White sky hung like a promised land. Every road I wandered pulled me through. Fragments of a life I grew. I wore every silence like a coat, held the weight of words I never spoke. And the wind don't question where I've been, it just lets me breathe again. There's a stillness calling my name, not a place, not a face, not a flame. I am home in the space I couldn't see, in the quiet that was waiting for me. Not a door, not a light in the night, but a feeling I don't have to fight. All the miles fall out of my bones. I don't need a road to know I am home. I am home. I am home. Old ghosts fade in the open air, lose their shape when I stop the stare. Every shadow softens in the sun. Every ending folds into one. I don't chase what I used to chase. Time don't move at the same old pace. There's a rhythm underneath my skin that I'm finally listening. No walls, no keys, no lines to trace. No map could ever hold this place. It was breathing under every doubt. I just had to let it out. I am home in the air I breathe, in the truth I don't have to leave. Not a road, not a past to outrun, just a life that's finally begun. Oh, the miles fall out of my bones. I was never alone. I am home. I am home. I am home. I almost gave up on the timing. Thought love was a train I missed. Watched it roll past in the distance, carrying all my wishes. I learned how to sleep in the silence, made peace with an empty side. Told myself I was fine alone, even when I lied. Almost every maybe, every door that closed on me let me heal without me knowing what it meant to be. You were the wait, every second, every heartbreak, every tear that wouldn't fade led me to your arms that night. You were worth the fall. All the times I hit the bottom, all the nights I felt forgotten. Now I see it all so clear. Love showed up right here. You were the way. I wore my doubt like a shadow, let it follow everywhere. Built up walls out of questions no one could repair. Then you walked in like a sunrise, breaking through what I believed. And every piece I tried to hide, you could somehow see. If I'd met you back then, we would have slipped right through two unfinished stories, trying to make it true. But time was writing something better than I knew. Every broken Under the sky where the moonlight plays, ripples dance in the river's grace. Dreams float by on a soft embrace, whispering tales of a gentle place. Stars above in a velvet blue, casting wonders in the night so true. Hearts find peace as they glide on through. Every glow, a promise made anew. Feel the night breeze soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your